our channel. Back to our channel. Back to our channel. Why are you saying bye? Let me go down so see. Thank you. Okay, what we making today, y'all?
Waffles.
Waffles. I can get the mommy dad. No, mom. They're gone. I'll go, mommy and Cam.
You're with mommy and Cam, yes, and we're making chicken and waffles.
Oh, that's
Chicken and waffles. We make it a lazy chicken and waffles. So, anyways,
don't touch. Don't touch.
Oh yeah, don't.
It's waffles.
So anyways, if you all want to see how we make our lazy chicken and waffles,
No.
stay tuned. So first we are going to use this Belgian waffle mix. And if you've seen my recent video, I did like a brunch with my girls. I kind of show a little bit, but I'm gonna just show y'all in detail how I pulled it off with my kiddos. Okay. So okay, we have I got this little mini waffle maker off of Amazon. It makes heart-shaped waffles, and it works really well. And we got this. I'm gonna let the kids go ahead and throw this together. And then, yeah. Let me get y'all set up. All right, y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay. So we got our bowl.
Got a bowl. We got an egg.
All right, hold on. First, we gotta measure out the mix. So we're gonna do
Okay, we got egg.
1.5 cups of mix. 2, 3. That's a half cup. Where's 1 cup? Find us 1 cup. It's not right here. It just has 1 cup. Okay, boys. So we need 1.5 cup of mix. So this is the mix. Hold on, Rylan. Dang, you really do? Oh, I guess.
Thank you, mommy.
Okay.
Let's do
Hold on.
this. Oh, you already opened it.
Okay.
You ready, Rylan?
Hold on, this ain't even the one.
Rylan, stop. Put it down.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody chill.
Okay.
Chill. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup of this. Here, Rylan, you hold this.
Okay.
Don't pour it yet, okay?
Okay.
Hold it still. Go ahead, Cam, pour it. But Rylan, you don't pour it. Cam, you fill that up. Hold it still.
Okay.
Hold it still, okay, Rylan?
Okay.
Got it?
Yep. Hold it still.
It's okay, it's okay. Keep pouring, it's okay.
Watch out!
Hold on, Rylan. No, not yet.
Okay.
Kind of.
It's coming out.
All right.
Yay!
That's 1. Hold on, we still need more. Go ahead.
How many are we gonna make?
1 and 1. Hold on. 1 and 1.5 cup. All right, hold on, right here. Here, Rylan, hold that. Fill that up.
What is this?
All right, look what you're doing.
Fill it up.
All right, that's good.
It's basically
All
kind
right,
of
pour that. Okay, pour that.
It kind of got in his hair. Oh,
It's
no.
okay. It's okay. All right.
This is too big of a mess.
Okay, so what's next? Then we need 2/3 cup of water. Here's the 2/3. Here, Rylan, hold it.
Okay.
This is gonna be eat.
Rylan got powder all over his face. All right, hold on. Hold on. We need a little bit more, Cam.
Okay.
Put the water on.
All right, go ahead.
And how-
Good job.
Okay, do we need one more?
Yay!
No, 2/3. But the cup says, this says 2/3, so you just need one of them. We need 1 egg.
Oh yes, I'm ready.
All right, Rylan, hold up. Barbara got the egg. Sorry. Hold on. We don't want to waste the eggs, okay? All right.
Don't worry, guys. I'm
Okay.
professional at this.
All right, hold on. We already got that. And we need 3 tablespoons of oil. All right, hold on. Let me put these eggs up because he's about to tear them up.
Oh.
This says 1/2. And we need 3. Slide over
6.
in the camera. Good job. Good job.
Okay. I think we should do a.
Like more. Hit this.
All right.
Oops,
1.
I went over.
1.
2. 3. 4.
And then 5.
5.
I ain't gonna do that one because I went over.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, y'all ready to stir?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. I called it some spoon.
Y'all both get a spoon here.
Okay. All right. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Just like this. Oh, so yummy. So good. Oh.
Feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. When I hear that music, it gets me on my feet, makes me wanna dance all night. Don't make me remember everything you did, 'cause I don't wanna hurt inside. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like this.
Okay, so I don't know why my camera just shut off, but I know y'all have seen this probably a million times.
Jeez.
Look
hold
at that.
And that
Look at
Is how
that.
you
is
make
a
some I knew you need to. Hey, look at
That is nice.
Look at
And
that.
all my troubles fades away. Your wish once got so deep into me, but tonight I won't let that.
You're a messy cook.
I would take it.
Are you a messy cook?
I would take this cookie to wash.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Cookie's fine. Be good.
All right, stop. We gotta wait. Now we just wait. We just wait.
Is it done yet?
It's done.
It's done.
It's done. Right here.
Let's see.
It's done.
Not yet.
No that. No that.
This turned out really good. I wonder if we can put some detail on it.
Oh, it's hard, Mommy. It's hard.
It's a heart. You're
Yeah.
so smart.
It's a hard. It's heavy. Wow.
Okay, so let me tell y'all a secret. One of the secret to what? Oh, look, I have cake all over my hand. One of the secret to why this is a lazy chicken and waffles. You want to know? Come closer. 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 I bought the chicken. Girl, let me tell you, nobody will ever know, okay? The kids won't know, the man won't know, nobody will know. I bought the chicken. Got some chicken sexy. Thank me later, sis. Okay, boom. So now y'all see it. We got our little heart-shaped chicken and waffles. All you gotta do is add some syrup, and you're good to go. The kids is doing something. They help make the waffles, and Mama picked up the chicken from the store. Okay. You did a good job. You did a good job. You did such a good job. Now we gotta clean up our mess, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos of me and the kitties and just more other videos in general. What are you doing? Subscribe. They talking in the background. But anyways, also, we had a whole bunch of extra waffles. Just put them in the freezer and they got breakfast. Okay, let's work smarter, not harder.